Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be tackling a common and dreaded issue, water damage on the Mi A3. If your phone has taken an unexpected dive into water and you're experiencing touch or other problems, don't worry. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to attempt a repair. Step 1. Remove the device from water. If your phone has come into contact with water, immediately power it off and remove it from the water source. Do not attempt to turn it on or charge it, as this may cause further damage. Step 2. Dry the phone. Use a soft, absorbent cloth to gently wipe off any visible water from the phone's exterior. You can also shake the phone gently to remove any water that might have entered through ports or openings. Step 3. Dry with rice or silica gel pack. Place your phone in a container filled with uncooked rice or silica gel packs. These materials help absorb moisture from the phone. Leave it in there for at least 24 hours to ensure it dries thoroughly. Be patient and avoid trying to turn on the phone during this period. Step 4. Check the touch screen. After the drying period, power on your phone and check if the touch screen is working correctly. If the touch issue persists, proceed to the next step. Step 5. Calibrate the touch screen. Go to Settings, Display, Touch Screen Calibration, and follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the touch screen. This might help resolve minor touch-related problems. Step 6. Reset the device. If the issue persists, perform a factory reset on your Mi A3. Go to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on your phone, so make sure to back up your essential files beforehand. Step 7. Seek professional repair. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, there might be a hardware problem with your device. It's best to take your Mi A3 to an authorized service center or a skilled technician who can diagnose and repair the problem for you. Remember that working with electronic devices and opening them up can be risky, so if you're not confident in your abilities, it's best to leave the repair to professionals. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more information.